what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about Sugar Cosmetics. Sugar Cosmetics, because Sugar has been one of my absolute go-to favorites. Talking about the makeup and the skincare range, that has been the sheet mask and the aquaholic range. I really genuinely love Sugar products. I have been a big fan of Sugar, and I always wanted to get my hands on those products, but Sugar never has discounts. Currently they are running the festive discount, but yeah, I got my hands on a serum foundation, I would say, because I am not the person who likes foundation. Genuinely I don't like, because I want my skin to breathe, but then I do need a foundation at times. So I bought this foundation, and it has been the most the most productive investment ever, because this foundation, I like a lightweight foundation, and yeah, this foundation has been my go-to foundation, and I have bought this foundation right here from their official site, and I didn't know my shade obviously, and they had an option of choosing your shade based on your previous foundation which you use. So I am MAC NC27 during summer and NC25 during winter. So I got something in between. Both of them pointed me towards this shade right here, that is 17 ref. Okay, so this is a perfect match for me, because when I apply, it just blends like a dream, and I'm like, okay, this is my skin, or is this the foundation? So I genuinely love this foundation. And if you are like me, if you are a student, and if you are not a big fan of BB creams, because they tend to become tacky at times, to be very honest, and concealer also, they tend to become tacky. Now concealers I liked a lot, I even like it now, but that's okay for times when I'm going for a no makeup look. For that purpose also, I did make a video on my no makeup look. If you want to know about it, then you can go ahead to my channel, and there's this video about my no makeup look. So I really wanted to invest in a good foundation. I don't want a full coverage foundation, to be very honest. I just want something skin like. Okay, I love skin like foundations, which makes my skin you know able to breathe, and that's what I like, because I have a combination skin, and I don't want full coverage foundation as of now. I don't want it, and later on, if I want a full coverage foundation, I'll definitely buy. And Sugar Cosmetics has been one of my you know best brands. I have like a best brand thingy. So this has been my go-to brand for everything such as blush, highlighter, mascara, and foundation. This was my first ever foundation purchase from Sugar, and I did become a fan. And yeah, this is the foundation, and it is a 20 ml product. I got it on discount. It retails for something around 1000, and I got it on discount, say for about 500 rupees. So that was a very good deal. So yeah, I'll just walk you through the texture of the product. As you can see, it has a dropper kind of thing right here. Just see, look at the texture. So it is very lightweight, as you can see. I'll just show you on my hand how it looks like. I'll just pat it here. I just take hardly 5 drops. As you can see, it's very liquidy. This is the texture, and it blends like a dream. Just look at it, so good. Just look at it. With my hand it blends. Did you see that? Look at this. This is the area where I applied the foundation, and this is my normal bare skin. So just look at it, man. It's so gorgeous. I really like it. So this is the foundation, and I tend to use this foundation whenever it's like pujo or some occasion, or sometimes some seminars in college. By the way, I do miss college. It's been a long time since I went to college. So yeah, I do miss college, and whenever I tend to film videos also, at times I do apply this foundation, because it is the best. Instead of concealer, I do apply this foundation. It works amazingly. just superb. I don't have words to explain, and I really want you guys also to understand that this is a must buy, guys. This is just love, this foundation right here. So as you can see, I am in the shade 17 RAF, and yeah, my Maybelline shade is 128 warm nude, and my MAC shade is NC27 in summers and NC25 in winters. So yeah, that's about it. And this foundation is the one I'm wearing right now. As you can see, this is the coverage, which is pretty good, medium coverage. And yeah, I genuinely like this foundation. Just look at it. It just feels like it's my skin. It doesn't feel like a foundation, and I'm so happy that I invested in this. Literally, this is my go-to foundation, guys, and this will be for a couple of years until Sugar launches something else. And Sugar is amazing. I just love it. I just love their brand, honestly, and their products, and oh god, everything. So yeah, that's about it. This is the basically review about this foundation. It has a very liquidy texture. Number one, it is very lightweight. It makes your skin breathe more rather than clogging your pores. And it is a drop the base serum foundation. And yeah, this is the foundation. It has a dropper, which is good, and blends like a dream, guys. So it's definitely worth the investment. If you want to go for a lightweight breathable foundation, please go for this. You will never regret this. Guys, that is it about the video. I really hope you like this video, because I really wanted to make this video for a very long time. It's been like since August I wanted to make this video, but right now I am here, and I just thought let's just dive into it. Come on, I really wanted to make this video. So yeah, that's about the foundation. And if you really like my videos, do give this video a big thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon right there. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite, which of the foundations do you prefer, which kind of foundation you prefer, and what is the best product of Sugar you have used till date. I'll see you in my next video.